Pinoy Pride 39, Prince Albert Pagara ang kanyang comeback fight. Coming back from a loss. I mean, ang kalaban niya taga Ghana, si Raymond Cumming. So, ito ang unang laban ni Prince Albert mula nang natalo siya noong July. Ang kanyang unang loss as a professional and as an amateur. Akalain mo, no? Sino masasabi mo na hindi natalo 400 amateur fights and then 29 fights before he lost? So,
There's always a first time.
Yeah, Albert Pagara, 22 years old. Ang kanyang kalaban, 29. Unang fight niya sa 126-pound division. So, malaking question nito kung ano ang magiging performance niya in this higher weight class. I just saw him in the locker room. He looks medyo full. Hindi yung karaniwan nakikita natin na talagang bato-bato at payat. Okay, we'll go now to the ring para tawagin ang ating mga fighter.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pinoy Pride 39 continues right here in Cebu Coliseum. This one's made possible by Ala Promotions and ABS-CBN Sports. Cebu City, are you ready for a knockout? Let's make some noise out there. Come on. All right, here we go. Pinoy Pride continues. Let's go straight to the blue corner. Wearing black trunks, his record, 16 wins, 2 losses, 9 by way of knockouts. Ladies and gentlemen, he weighs in at 126 pounds. He is the former WBA Pan-African Super Bantamweight Champion, the former Ghanaian Super Bantamweight Champion from Accra, Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Raymond Cumming. His opponent in the red corner, wearing neon green trunks, he weighed in at 126 pounds. His record, 26 wins, 1 defeat. He is the former WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Champion, the former IBF Intercontinental Bantamweight Champion from Asin City. Ladies and gentlemen, our very own Prince Albert Pagara. Our judges for the bout, Edgar Olalo, Romar Imbudo, and Noel Flores. Your referee, Tony Pessens. 10 rounds of boxing.
You're fighting at 10 rounds. So do not use your head. No hitting below the belt. Do not use the elbows. Okay? Have a good fight. Protect yourself all the time. Next glove.
So maraming first dito para kay Prince Albert Ed. Ano? First time siya lalaban sa 126. And then
Yes.
first time na lalaban after a loss. Imagine, he never experienced a loss.
Pero alam mo, importante rin Dayan na nakabalik agad siya sa ring. We
Tama,
don't want
tama.
him to dwell on the loss because we've seen other fighters. Sabi nga nila, the first cut is the deepest. Some never recovered from that first cut. Dito, nakabalik siya. Pero notice the additional weight is very obvious.
Yes.
Hindi
kasi-
ganun ka
Oo.
well-sculpted yung body niya ngayon.
Yes. Well, kahapon he was 126 at kanina sa locker room, sabi niya 134 siya, 136. So he
he's
gained
almost-
about 8 to 10
Oo,
pounds.
oo.
Carbo loading daw.
Almost
So,
a lightweight siya
First
ngayon.
round.
Yeah, well, as usual, no, si Prince Albert comes to the ring na umaapaw ang kumpiyansa. And let's see kung ano yung ipapakita niya dito kay Kome mula sa Ghana. 10 rounds sa featherweight division.
Watch out for that overhand right ni Kome. That's his best punch. He loves to come inside.
Well, he won his last fight against Ansa, but that was a guy who had a record of 8 wins and 14 losses. So
So kumbaga yung kalidad ng oposisyon ay di hamak, mas maganda ang mga nakalaban ni Albert Pagara.
Nagpahinga raw siya ng isang buwan pagkatapos ng talo niya sa San Francisco and then went back to training August dito sa Cebu, sa Ala Stable, sa ilalim ni Edmond Villamor. And sabi niya he got pretty good sparring. Learned a lot. Pinuto ng konti ang buhok, ano? Kasi naalala natin yung buhok niya medyo sagabal sa sa mata niya kasi mahaba, and then napawis na siya ay bumababa hanggang sa mata niya.
And remember, it was our late friend si Ronnie Nathaniel who noticed that, ano? In fact, he was even imploring the cornerman, cut the hair.
Yeah.
During that slugfest with Cesar Juarez of Mexico.
Yes. Ay nako, mamimiss talaga natin ang ating kaibigan at kasama dito sa Pinoy Pride, si Ronnie Nathaniel. This is for you, Ronnie. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinuro mo sa amin.
Oh, and the bell sounded 10 times kanina and the crowd erupted into an applause, acknowledging Ronnie.
Mahirap palitan si Ronnie, no? One of a kind talaga yon.
One of a kind, and sabi nga, he really loved boxing.
He spanned so many generations. Flash Alorde, Muhammad Ali, Manny Pacquiao.
Sabi nga niya, he was there when history was made. And right now, Prince Albert Pagara, looping right hand, Prince Albert.
Medyo pacing muna si Pagara dito sa unang round.
Yung kasi naging problema niya, he got off to a hot start kay Juarez, fast start, nakalimutan niyang i-pace yung sarili niya.
First round knockdown siya, nakascore siya ng first round knockdown doon.
So nagkaroon ng konting panggigigil, akala niya, buha na niya. Ngayon sabi niya, he worked on his conditioning at gusto niya talaga pacing ang maging isang aspeto ng kanyang laro.
Right. Pero naalala ko nun si Juarez, talagang determinado rin.
Oh, that guy was a bull.
He was.
Remember what he did to Nonito Donaire Jr.?
Yeah. Tama. Tsaka matindi yung pangangailangan niya. Sabi niya kailangan niya yung pera para sa panganganak ng kanyang asawa. You know, the need will always drive you.
Cesar Juarez.
Big overhand right mula kay Prince Albert. Naka-apple green trunks mula sa Ala Promotions. Mamaya ang ating main event. After Prince Albert, ang kanyang kapatid naman na si Jason. At ayan, si AJ Banal na minsan lumaban rin dito.
A former world title contender. Now he's into real estate.
Round 2. Prince Albert Pagara kalaban si Comey ng Ghana. Mas matangkad si Prince Albert, medyo not very controlled pace si Prince sa unang round.
Medyo feeling out round yun nangyari sa first round, ano?
Well, hindi na siya pwedeng kailangan medyo on the safe side, no?
Comey may have to start initiating because Albert is going to keep this fight at a distance with that left jab.
Because I remember he started like a house on fire against Juarez. So, kumbaga, he has to work his way back up, hopefully get his rating back.
Now, Comey trying to attack. Good uppercut by Raymond Comey. Yun ang pag tinamangad, paano ka mag-react ngayon, ano?
Right,
good shot.
Wow, nice left there, mula kay
And Albert Pagara complaining of medyo below the border.
So itong si Comey is 29 years old with a record of 16 wins, 3 losses, 9 knockouts. And
natalo niya, isang beses lang siya natalo by knockout. That came 2010 pa against John Amuzu.
And as you said, he's won 14 of his last 15 fights. And at one time, ranked number 13 by the WBA sa super bantamweight class.
Comey is a bit tentative to get inside. In his previous fights, talagang agresibo pumasok itong fighter na ito, si Comey. Now he's a bit hesitant. Perhaps wary of the power of Pagara.
Really seeing a different Pagara now. So medyo controlled and just pacing himself.
Yun ang napansin natin. Hindi siya ganun ka-hostile sa kanyang approach. We are scheduled for 10 rounds. Pagara moving up to 126 pounds. Well, good left by Comey.
Talagang full ang katawan ni Pagara ngayon at 136.
Oh,
Fight
almost
night.
lightweight na ang timbang actually niya. Oh, Comey is landing some good shots.
Yeah.
That may be siguro kailangan ni Pagara to wake up
Yeah.
from the slumber.
Medyo tentative si
Oh,
Pagara.
atake na si
Now
Comey.
getting
He's
hit.
getting confident.
Yep.
Comey is getting confident in this round.
Connecting dito sa round 2. Matinding mga suntok ang binitawan ni Comey mula sa Ghana.
There was a left to the
There,
body.
that
and
uppercut there.
ha? Medyo naramdaman ni Pagara yun.
Yeah. Good round para kay Comey.
Diyan ang medyo
Yan, medyo
low-blow
low-blow.
lang. Ilang medyo instruction niya. But he was more active on offense. Si Comey.
Double left to the body.
Nakita mo, medyo tentative.
Yeah, he is. He is
very
tentative.
tentative.
Uy,
Gigores.
Gigores. So nice to see him here.
Remember that fight with Fernando Montiel dito rin sa Cebu.
I remember that well.
Disputed decision loss.
One of the best fighters of Ala Promotions. Round 3. So tingnan natin kung magiging mas aggressive si Prince Albert dito. He starts off with a jab. Last round was a good one for Comey.
Oo, medyo makamay si Comey doon sa round 2 na yun. Ano? So, kailangan medyo mag-open up muna si Pagara. Ipaalala kay Comey na, hoy, I'm the favorite guy here.
Comey, nakikita natin trying to get inside, being the shorter fighter. Oh, really surprised sa Pagara. Talagang pinapacing niya, so hopefully ang sarili niya.
Let's see if it will pay off. Short right hand from Comey. Comey grew up in a fishing village in Accra, Ghana. At ilan lang mga naging world champions sa Ghana. I mean, Zuma Nelson, Ike Quartey. Oh, good. Yan ang sinasabi ko, yung looping right hand ni
Yun.
Comey. Yan ang kanyang favorite weapon. As he comes in, he has a looping right hand. Yun, sa kanan naman. Parang walang snap sa suntok ni Prince Albert.
Yes.
Yan, oh.
Oo.
The punches of Prince Albert lack royalty.
Yeah.
Sabi nga natin.
Wala pa siyang solid. Maybe trying to build up his confidence. Hopefully, uminit pa siya dito. Again,
Nakadala si
Comey.
Comey.
Another good round for Comey.
Remember, Comey is also on a winning streak of his own. 14 of his last
Yeah.
15 fights.
Sabi ni ng Villamor Brothers, they worked on stamina, speed, power, everything kay Pagara. Pero syempre, they're not rushing him. You know, he's 22 years old. Sabi nga niya, losing is talagang bahagi ng boxing.
Oh, good right hand by Pagara. Good right hand.
Finally, won.
Sumama din.
Yan. Double left straight. At then, hataw rin si Comey. Comey showing no fear here.
Oh, chopping right hand from Pagara.
Arrived early this week mula sa Ghana. Medyo mahabang biyahe. Napakainit ng kondisyon dito sa Cebu City Coliseum. Walang aircon po.
It's oven hard.
Nice.
Oh, good left to the body. Good
good.
combination.
Yan.
Finally, unloading it is si Pagara.
Dalawang double left, one right.
Finally hitting up. Ayan na, ang atake ni Pagara.
Yun,
Finally,
yung,
nagpakita.
oo, yung
Finally.
right straight. Nakalanding sa wakas.
Kanina
Then,
pa natin hinahanap yun, Dayan, ano? That right straight of Prince Albert.
Okay, Peter Musngi and June Martinez from ABS-CBN.
They're all here.
Magandang crowd dito sa Cebu. Kahit umuulan, in-enjoy po rin nila ang boxing and hopefully makascore ang mga Pinoy ng tagumpay bago magtapos ang taong 2016. So let's hope we end on a good note. Yeah.
At ito'y appetizer pa lamang sa ating main event. The Milan Melindo Palan Sakirin Showdown.
Yan ang ating main event. And then pagkatapos nito ay ang kapatid naman ni Prince Albert, si Jason.
Oh, yung utol niya.
Palagi silang magkasunod.
Oo.
Sa San Francisco, panalo si Jason and then talo si Prince Albert. Medyo, hindi pa rin masaya syempre. But when one wins and the other one loses, hindi ka pwede magsaya ng 100%.
So in the previous round, finally nag-open up itong si Prince Albert. Some good right hands.
Oh,
But
pero
Tomei continued to
connecting
attack.
again.
Ito rin isa sa mga bad habits ni Prince Albert. Sometimes nagpapatama siya, no? Trying to show how tough he is.
Poker face naman ito si Kumei. Hindi natin alam kung anong nasa isip niya. It's his first fight sa labas ng kanyang bansa. So one thing,
face, ha?
yeah.
Pero he came here to win.
Yep. 29 years old.
Time is also no longer inside itong kay Kumei.
Prince Albert, 22. Great.
Oh, good left.
Nice right.
Yun.
There.
Pero may lepok si Kumei.
10 rounds po tayo dito sa featherweight division. Pagara with his trademark blonde top.
Upper.
Hinahanap natin yung snap yung more forceful effect ng mga suntok ni Pagara because we've seen him throw with bad intentions.
Yeah, kasi out of the 26
suntok,
wins,
Pagara.
bago siya natalo, he won 26 of those, 18 of those by knockout. So,
Mataas ang kanyang knockout percentage.
pero medyo tentative pa lang siya dito sa
Medyo.
unang 4 rounds.
Kumei.
Continues to come.
Medyo. Some lateral
Yan.
movement from Kumei.
Okay, good job there from Prince Albert. Pero may sagot si Kumei, no?
Oo.
Left and right.
Pero alam mo, palagi ko nararamdaman ni Kumei.
Yeah.
Oh, big right hand.
Nice.
Big right hand.
Ayun, medyo that was a good one. Na nakita natin, naramdaman ni Kumei yun.
And that's the reason
Ayun,
why Kumei is
another good
hesitant
right.
to come in. Dati pumapasok pa siya. Ngayon medyo dumidistansya siya. Medyo
Yes.
doing the shuffle ito si Kumei. Hesitant to come in. He's beating the power
Yes,
of
that-
Albert Pagara.
Last 10 seconds. Comes forward but misses. Kumei. Okay, let's have a look at the last round. Kumei, umaabante. Prince Albert Salubit gets out. Yon. Miss.
Yun ang wala kang takanan.
Yun ang talagang naramdaman ni Kumei.
And the
Some
crowd.
international visitors mula sa
Kumpleto.
Australia na in-enjoy ang laban dito sa Pinoy Pride Series na naging sikat na rin. 39!
39 editions.
We have fights in Cebu, in Bacolod, in Dubai, in the
Wow.
US. Yung Pinoy Pride sa US, very successful.
Iba talaga.
So, next year, abangan nyo ulit ang
Madami
Pinoy
pa.
Pride Series. Round 5 na po tayo. Prince Albert Pagara of the Philippines, kalaban si Kumei ng Ghana, Raymond Kumei.
And after a slow start, Pagara opening up in the last 2 rounds. 3 and 4.
Hopefully, bumalik ang kanyang kumpiyansa. No?
Oo, kasi mahirap talaga pag you lose your aura, you lose your confidence. In fact, some never got to go back to the ring. Ano?
Kasi alam mo, talagang gustong-gusto niya manalo. Feeling niya talaga he was gonna beat Juarez. But wow,
Oh, he wanted Juarez.
bull talaga yung Juarez.
Here's
Tasuntok,
Kumei
Pagara,
trying to
tasuntok.
pin Pagara along the ropes.
Lalang suntok, ha?
So Pagara had one good big right in that last round. So tingnan natin kung ma-follow up niya pa ito in round 5. Unang fight pa rin ni Prince Albert sa 126-pound division. Parang he looks a little heavy, no?
Oo, and I think the extra weight
Yeah.
might be the reason why he looks a bit lethargic.
Yeah.
Ano?
At parang medyo konti yung suntok niya, no?
Hindi ganon.
Oo. Hindi parang machine gun.
Again, the trauma of that loss to Juarez still in his head.
Oh, Comey, double jabbing his way, papasok. Pero medyo nag-iingat na rin ito si Comey after feeling that strong right from Prince Albert.
On the first 2 rounds, pumapasok pa si Comey. Ngayon, medyo pigil ang kanyang atake. Comey is just
I think if
safe distance.
I think if Pagara can get just a couple big ones more in, then makukuha niya tong fight na to.
Medyo nawala yung left jab ni Pagara. Maganda rin mag-jab ang batak ito to set up his right straight. Medyo pigil yung kanyang left jab. Not enough snap in the left jab.
Saka yung footwork niya, no, not very light on his feet. Normally, mas magalaw si Prince Albert, no?
Pero syempre, he is outside his comfort zone. He's now at 126. Featherweight.
Well, he's got the whole Cebu crowd behind him.
The crowd egging him on to...
Oh.
Oh, good right hand by Comey.
Oh, yun. Naka-right rin si Prince Albert. Last
The
10
crowd
seconds.
egging him on. Oh, good right hand.
Yun.
Another right hand.
Ayun. Parang groggy na hindi maintindihan ito si Comey, ha? Groggy ba siya? Ganyan na siya mag-backdoor. So there's Comey pummeling his way in. Blocking a lot of the shots of Pagara, but finally we're gonna see, oh, end of the round. So ito ang kanyang coach, si Edmond Villamor. Kita natin, nakikinig talaga siya sa break. Round 6. Prince Albert lumalaban dito sa Pilipinas after losing his last fight in San Francisco against Cesar Juarez. Okay, nice. Opening, second.
He's trying to get his rhythm.
Yeah.
Man.
There, he's moving a lot better now.
Sinasabi mo footwork niya.
Oo.
Nawala. Now he's jabbing a lot more. Hinahanap natin. Where's the left jab?
At yan.
Yun. Now he's on the attack.
Yan si Pagara.
Yan ang hinahanap ng tao. The old Pagara, the one who's jabbing, jab straight. Bounce on his leg.
Good left-right combination. Medyo nag-iingat na to si Comey, feeling the power of Prince. Right?
Oh, fairness. Comey has not been knocked out for the last 6 years.
114 of his last 15 fights. Pero hindi natin alam kung sino man ang kakalaban niya dun sa Ghana.
Yun nga lang. Hindi natin alam kung may mga Ghana. Doon pa yung nakalaban sa Ghana.
And right after this, kapatid ni Prince Albert, si Jason naman ang sasaba kalaban ng isang Nicaraguan.
Oo, isipin mo, open hat na tayo, tapos El Nino pa.
Okay, Comey, maabante, trying to get some body shots and uppercuts in.
Ay, ito na naman yung
Maka...
old tactic of Pagara of inviting Comey to come and hit him.
The referee breaks them apart.
Okay, no holding out. Okay.
Maganda na yung opening ni Pagara.
Yeah,
Ito lang sustain niya, no? He was showing some bounce in his legs.
Yeah.
He was jabbing. Okay na yun eh.
Medyo parang hindi pa siya talaga nakakaarangkada. But he needs to pick it up now. It's already round 6.
Round number 6 na tayo. Although he's doing okay, but he could go a lot
Wow.
more.
Uy. Hindi ko maintindihan ito si Comey minsan, ah. Poker face.
Comey is not going to win the fight if he's just going to be at a distance. He has to barge in. I'm surprised na he's not even attacking the body of Pagara, knowing that Pagara is a bit soft.
Hey, hey! No, no, no.
Soft para sa atin kasi we're so used to his 8 pack.
Yan ang ano natin eh.
But you know, he has put on like 8 pounds in the last day. But after that fight, he did nag-increase rin siya ng mga 5 to 10 pounds. Interesting to see, no, that they put him up here, 126. Uy!
May kaliwa si
Last
Pagara.
break.
Oh, there's a good left to end the round. Ito yung highlight sa previous round. Kanan mula kay Pagara, some right hands, pero hindi sustained.
Kulang pa, kulang pa.
Walang puwersa yung suntok ni Comey kasi nauna yung katawan niya bago siya sumuntok. So there's not enough force in those shots.
Papasok na tayo sa round 7. He needs to get his bearing. Brings Albert. Go for his shots.
Working on the legs. Nararamdaman niya.
Yeah, because
Long travel.
long travel, yung time difference, yung
Oo.
init dito. Pero mainit rin sa Ghana, pero
Oo.
ibang klaseng init dito. Humidity. Okay, round 7. So, who do you think's leading this fight?
Well, right now, Pagara is leading this fight after a slow first 2 rounds.
Came
Naging
back on the
hesitant si
third.
Comey. Ito naman si Pagara, ayaw pa mag-full throttle.
Yeah. Tingnan natin dito sa round 7. Prince Albert is looking now like he's got little bit more of the eye of the tiger. Yan, body shot.
Good
Right,
shot.
right shot. There you go. Trying to put more snap sa kanyang punch.
Hinahanap natin yung mga combination niya.
Yeah.
Putting his punches together. Comey.
Comey busier but not that much sting sa kanyang mga suntok, but nevertheless hitting.
Oh, right
There,
hand. Right
beautiful.
hand.
There you go. Good timing that combination mula kay Pagara. Says he feels.
Nakita mo, umatras pa si Comey instead of charging in.
There. Sinusubukan ng kanyang uppercut and right. Fully salubid si Prince Albert. Gets out right from Comey. Double left but blocked by Pagara. Medyo hard breathing na ito si Comey.
Oh, and his
He has
corner,
come a long way.
tumamatras siya.
Yes.
His corner were working on his legs.
Last suntok.
Round
Pagara.
7. Scheduled for 10. Oh, got one nice right.
Oh, good.
Nice. Good
Wanna
exchange
make it
there.
Pagara. Oh, right hand.
Two rights. Papasok. We can see some fatigue setting in by Comey. He's trying, but he's missing a lot.
Medyo tempered yung
Yes, definitely.
opensa ni Albert. Although, still better kumpara kay Comey.
Okay,
Oh,
right,
good
left, right.
Follow up.
Ayun.
We're looking for the follow up.
Comey tries to be aggressive after getting hit in that last exchange.
Inconsistent ang opensa ni Pagara. Right hand to end the round.
Tignan natin ang action mula sa huling round. Prince Albert, yeah, good solid right there. Tries to follow it up. Sa balikat, tumama yung suntok na yon. Comey comes in with his own uppercut.
Oh, it was a good uppercut.
Yeah,
Right hand by
then a
Gomez.
good right there.
Walang follow-up eh, oh. Kulang.
Kulang.
He's not that sharp. Pagara, although he's still winning this fight.
Kumbaga kulang sa hasa, ano?
Medyo the extra weight.
I think so.
The first fight after that loss to Juarez, all factored in.
Okay, here we go. Round 8. Prince Albert Pagara in apple green from Cebu. Tries to be more aggressive dito sa huling tatlong round. Ay!
Oh, dulas. No knockdown. Yung logo lang.
Imagine kasi yung pawis dito sa
Oo,
init
sweat.
ng...
Kulang sa kamay dito si Tomei. He's not doing anything, not that much.
I think pagod na siya.
Oo, natakot siya pumasok because baka madali sa kanan. But he has to take some risks, si Tomei.
There, another big right from Pagara. Pero kulang sa kombinasyon si Prince Albert, no?
Not enough snap.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
He's really pacing himself.
Hopefully saving the best for last.
Halos he's rationing his punches eh.
Matipid.
Matipid. Nahanap natin.
Not the usual Gangho Pagara na sanay tayo, ano, si Prince Albert.
Kasi yung mga ganyan knockout loss, it takes away your aura of invincibility.
Okay, good. 1 minute to go sa round 8. Double right from Tomei.
Pero wala pang significant punch talaga si Tomei na tumatama si Pagara.
Aggressive in spurts si Prince Albert.
Hey! Oh, stop. Okay.
Okay, Tomei. Nagpapahinga ng konti.
Hesitant eh.
Oo.
Tomei can't attack on the inside. The problem for me, if you don't attack, you cannot win at this kind of distance. The jab of Pagara is noticeably missing in this fight. It sets up everything, particularly his right straight.
Hey,
But the jab is sporadic.
break.
Ingat. Last 10 seconds. Not a very active round.
Flurry of punches from
Pero
Albert.
walang solid landing. Ngayon.
Oo, ayun, nakita
That
mo,
one.
pwede siya magpalap eh.
I was low. That's Raymond Tomei mula sa Ghana. Wow, they're really trying to pull him off. Ito naman si Edmond Jr. Parang he's using this as a learning fight, no?
Parang ganun eh.
Parang training fight.
Parang gusto niya makita sa sarili niya na kaya kong dumistansya.
Round 9. Let's see if Prince Albert Pagara chooses to be more aggressive in these last 2 rounds.
So far, he's ahead in our unofficial scorecard. But we feel he can do a lot more.
Body shot. Good left. Pagara, naghahanap ng opening. Naghahanap ng timing. Left, right mula kay Comey. Pagara allowing himself to get hit. Not
Habit
answering.
must go. That old habit of his must go.
Crowd here looking for a little bit more action.
Prince Albert less royal in this fight.
Right after this, Jason Pagara naman at ang ating main event, Milan Melindo. Philippines versus Nicaragua and Philippines versus Thailand. Tries an uppercut, doesn't land that solid. You see Comey pagod na pagod but still letting his hands go but not much sing.
Wala din si Comey. Wow with that right hand.
Struggling siya, you can see. Whew. Ayun, good. But just one or two.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, I think it's good opportunity para kay Pagara right now.
Comey looks a bit shaky.
Yeah, he does.
Medyo nag-pause siya kanina.
Oh. Parang nahihilo na ata.
Oo.
Dapat attack mode na si Prince Albert. Go!
Crowd sensed it. They were egging on Prince Albert.
38 seconds to go. Round 9.
Wala yung mga combination punching.
Yeah.
Pagara in this fight.
Mga paisa-isa lang.
Paisa-isa. So medyo kapos.
Put his body into that uppercut. Ayan.
Mukhang pagod si Comey.
Yeah, crowd looking for a strong finish.
The crowd feels that Comey is a bit shaky.
Ready to go. Look at that.
Oh.
Papahinga na.
Parang isang puwersa, isang buhos
Oo.
pa ni Pagara. Maaaring may paglagyan si
Oo,
Comey.
isang buhos na lang. End of 9. Oh,
Ayan ang aksyon sa previous round, sa body shots. Iyan palagay ko, dahilan kung bakit parang, ayun, look at those body shots from Prince Albert. That slowed down Comey. Comey is still fighting at this level, pero at the tail end of the round, he looked shaky because of the body shots thrown by Albert Pagara.
okay, last 3 minutes sa featherweight laban na ito sa Pinoy Pride 39. Prince Albert Pagara against Raymond Comey of Ghana.
That's not, that's not.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the
Hey, that's not, that's
Okay.
not, okay.
Sana kombinasyon ng solid si Pagara dito. Palagay ko may tumba si Comey.
Mukhang
If-
shaky na eh.
Yeah.
Round 9.
Let's see kung paano niya tatapusin itong fight na to. Still, medyo naghihintay pa rin.
Kaingat si
Umiiwas
Comey.
na si Comey.
Umiiwas na siya.
Umiiwas na.
You
Ayaw
cannot
na
win a
matamaan.
fight
Yeah.
at this level.
Well, I don't
Oh.
think wala na siyang wala na siyang power, parang survive na lang siya at this stage, oh.
He looks like he's in
Yeah.
recovery mode. Kaya nasuntok si Comey.
Ayan, I think
he's backing
Prince Albert can sense it.
He should go full throttle.
Yes, right
Alam mo,
now.
naghanap ng angulo eh.
Step on the gas.
Prince Albert is looking for one explosive
Yes.
punch to end it. He's looking for
Good.
angles.
Nice 1-2 there. Oh my gosh. Comey is groggy. Yun.
Siguro
It's a long
Pagara
travel.
before the Juarez fight could have taken this guy out earlier.
Tama.
Wala pa
Tama
yung
ka.
Juarez na talo, no?
Well, he has to build back his confidence.
Oo.
Can't take too many risks, di ba? So,
Well,
yun
importante
siguro
is
yung
back in
mindset
the ring.
niya. Yeah.
Makabalik lang. Pero siyempre, sabi nga natin, Albert is back to square one. At mukhang pagod na si Comey looks tired. He's breathing hard.
Looks really tired.
Mouth is open. He's tired. He's feeling the heat. And the punches
Feeling
of
is, I
Albert
think,
Vergara.
wala na niya talaga yung legs niya. Just hoping to survive. Sana. Pero si Vergara, hindi rin, ano eh,
Oo, medyo...
hindi rin umabante.
Medyo
Ingat rin siya,
pedestrian.
satisfied to
Medyo
win,
routine ang kanyang
satisfied to
performance.
win on points.
Wala yung mga bad intentions eh.
Before kasi, he would always like just go for the knockout, di ba?
Oo.
We don't see the time here sa ating screen, but I think there shouldn't be too long dito sa final round 10.
Mukhang we're going to the scorecards. And the clock winding down, 10 seconds.
That's it.
Ayan ang aksyon sa huling round. Vergara tried to pour on the punches, pero kulang sa volume punching si Prince Albert. Although,
Pero sa tingin natin,
maganda performance niya.
enough para
Oo.
makuha tong win na to. Parang get back his feel on the ring and then work his way to another world title shot. Hopefully, kasi nawala nga yung kanyang ranking. No?
Nawala yung ranking niya kay Cesar Juarez. He was already nearing a world title shot. Back to square one for Prince Albert.
So near yet so far. Well, he's only 22 years old pa lang naman si Prince Albert. Alam mo, also kailangan maging malakasan niya yung loob niya. You need a lot of heart.
Lahat naman ng mga boxer, ilan naman talaga yung undefeated nag-retire, no? Lahat naman dumadaan sa pagkatalo. At
Tama.
minsan doon nasusukat yung karakter ng boxing ref if you still want it that bad.
And actually, sometimes yung talo ay pwedeng maging umpisa to a better performance, di ba?
Oo, kasi makikita mo na nag-error mo eh. Ano, yung mga chinks in your armor, pagbubutihin mo na.
So right after this fight, we have naman yung kapatid ni Prince Albert, si Jason, na lumalaban. Very different, ano, no?
Ay, iba. Iba yung
Very
Jason
different
Vergara.
yung build.
Tsaka yung build.
140-pounder, bihira sa mga Pinoy. Laki, big boned. Okay, let's go to the ring now for the official scorecard. Results.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 10 rounds of boxing, let's go to the scorecards. Judges Edgar Olalo, Romar Imbudo, and Judge Noel Flores scores about identically at 99-91. Your winner by a unanimous decision, Prince Albert Vergara.
So as expected, winner by a unanimous decision, but the crowd doesn't like the
The
result.
Because they know he could have done better.
Oo nga eh.
Pero let's understand the predicament of this guy. He's coming off that huge knockout loss to Juarez. He's just trying to get some work in.
Talagang
Try to
ano,
see.
nagpapalakas pa ng loob.
Oh, hopefully in a few more fights we'll see the old Prince Albert. So here are
Siguro-
some highlights.
Oh, and they're applauding Comey, no, for a good performance. Siguro sabi ng corner ni Prince Albert, wag kang magmadali. Hindi naman ito world title fight. Take your time. Just, you know, pace yourself.
Then trying to get back into the rhythm.
Okay, magbabalik po ang Pinoy Pride 39 mula sa Cebu. First dito para kay Prince Albert Ed, ano? First time siya lalaban sa 126. And then
Yes.
first time nalalaban after a loss. Imagine, he never experienced a loss.
Pero alam mo, importante rin Diana, nakabalik agad siya sa ring. We
Tama,
don't want
tama.
him to dwell on the loss because we've seen other fighters Sabi nga nila, the first cut is the deepest. Some never recovered from that first cut. Dito, nakabalik siya. Pero notice the additional weight is very obvious.
Yes.
Hindi
kasi-
ganun ka
oo.
well-sculpted yung body niya ngayon.
Yes, well, kahapon he was 126 at kanina sa locker room sabi niya 134 siya, 136. So he
he's
gained about
almost
8 to 10
Oo,
pounds.
oo.
Carbo loading daw.
almost a
So,
lightweight siya
First
ngayon.
round.
Yeah, well, as usual, no, si Prince Albert comes to the ring na umaapaw ang kumpiyansa. And let's see kung ano yung papakita niya dito kay Comey mula sa Ghana. 10 rounds sa featherweight division.
Watch out for that overhand right ni Comey. That's his best punch. He loves to come inside.
Well, he won his last fight against Ansa, but that was a guy who had a record of 8 wins and 14 losses.
So kumbaga yung kalidad ng oposisyon ay di hamak.
Coliseum. This one's made possible by Ala Promotions and ABS-CBN Sports. Cebu City, are you ready for a knockout? Let's make some noise out there. Come on. All right, here we go. Pinoy Pride continues. Let's go straight to the blue corner, wearing black trunks. His record, 16 wins, 2 losses, 9 by way of knockouts. Ladies and gentlemen, he weighs in at 126 pounds. He is the former WBA Pan-African Super Bantamweight Champion, the former Ghanaian Super Bantamweight Champion from Accra, Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Raymond Comey. His opponent in the red corner, wearing neon green trunks, he weighed in at 126 pounds. His record, 26.
Mas maganda mga nakalaban ni Albert Tagara.
Nagpahinga raw siya ng 1 buwan pagkatapos ng talo niya sa San Francisco and then went back to training August dito sa Cebu, sa Ala Stable, sa ilalim ni Edmond Villamor. And sabi niya he got pretty good sparring. Learned a lot. Pinuto ng konti ang buhok, ano? Kasi naalala natin yung buhok niya medyo sagabal
Nakaka-disturb
sa ano sa
masagabal.
mata niya kasi mahaba and then nung napawis na siya ay bumababa hanggang sa mata niya.
And remember, it was our late friend, si Ronnie Natanos, who noticed that. Ano? In fact, he was even imploring the cornerman, cut the hair.
Yeah.
During that slugfest with Cesar Juarez of Mexico.
Yes. Ay nako, mamimiss talaga natin ang ating kaibigan at kasama dito sa Pinoy Pride, si Ronnie Nathaniels. This is for you, Ronnie. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinuro mo sa amin.
The bell sounded 10 times kanina and the crowd erupted into an applause, acknowledging Ronnie.
Mahirap palitan si Ronnie, no? One of a kind talaga yon. Pinoy Pride 39, Prince Albert Pagara ang kanyang comeback fight. Coming back from a loss. Ang kalaban niya taga Ghana, si Raymond Comey. So, ito ang unang laban ni Prince Albert mula nang natalo siya noong July. Ang kanyang unang loss as a professional and as an amateur. Akalain mo, no? Sino masasabi mo na hindi natalo 400 amateur fights and then 29 fights before he lost? So,
There's
yan
always
si
a first time.
Yeah, Albert Pagara, 22 years old. Ang kanyang kalaban, 29. Unang fight niya sa 126-pound division. So, malaking question nito kung ano ang magiging performance niya in this higher weight class. I just saw him in the locker room. He looks medyo full. Hindi yung karaniwan nakikita natin na talagang bato-bato at payat. Okay, we'll go now to the ring para tawagin ang ating mga fighter.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pinoy Pride 39 continues. Right here in Cebu, win, 1 defeat. He is the former WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Champion, the former IBF Intercontinental Bantamweight Champion, from Asin City, ladies and gentlemen, our very own Prince Albert Pagara. Our judges for the bout, Edgar Olalo, Romar Imbudo, and Noel Flores. Your referee, Tony Pessons. 10 rounds of boxing.
You're fighting at 10 rounds. Do not use your head. No hitting below the belt. Do not use the elbows. Okay? Have a good fight. Protect yourself all the time. Next glove.
So marami